Country of origin: China. The package height of the product is 3.89 inches. The package length of the product is 8.86 inches. The package width of the product is 5.18 inches. Fit type: vehicle specific. Standard motor products replacement idle air control valves help you get maximum fuel efficiency and power from your engine. A properly operating idle air control valve is an essential component to helping your vehicle run flawlessly. Top reviews from the United States. The best bang for your buck. I had to replace the corroded dimmer switch in my pickup truck. I could have either paid $30 for one or $4 for this one, so I took a chance and this dimmer switch worked out great. Though it is made in China, it functions perfectly.